Listen. Listen. Okay, come closer. Come closer. Listen. Okay, closer. Lisa Eldridge can do no wrong. Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing great. Today, as you can see from my ghostly lips, we're going to be doing a try-on of the new Lisa Eldridge Gloss Embrace. I got 2 new shades. This is a new product, but the shades are new, and no, I don't have them all because they're quite pricey. But I thought maybe if you're interested in these 2 shades particularly and on my opinion in general about these glosses, well then you will keep on watching hopefully. And since you're here, please remember to like and subscribe. It really helps my channel. And as a result, you'll get more makeup content on your feed, which is a win-win in my opinion. My lips are begging to have something on. It's been a long day. It's 10:40 p.m. and yeah, I wanted to do this video with a cup of tea, but then I thought it doesn't make sense. I will be swatching glosses, so there's no way I can enjoy my tea. So my tea will have to wait. I was really excited about this launch. Actually, let's get it from the beginning. I wasn't excited about this launch because I don't like glosses, and yeah. Lately though, I did find myself kind of tired of using standard, lipsticks, because when I go out to eat, and when I eat, the lipstick comes off, and when the lipstick comes off, you have that ugly rim or just the borders with lipsticks. I don't like that. You have to get up and just apply again, but then everybody is already seeing you and your lips with just faded lipstick. It's not cute. So when I saw the shade range of these new glosses and I saw the name SORCERY, which I'm not sure you know, is the first lipstick to go sold out in the last collection from Lisa Eldridge, I was so excited because I wanted to purchase SORCERY, but I didn't have the means to, and now I have a gloss. The first shade here is, you guessed it, SORCERY, and this is a brownish with a tint of mauve, very 90s. And then I got another one. This one is in the shade Decade, and as you can immediately see, this is way darker, but I saw Lisa Eldridge's video, and if you didn't, I would highly suggest you watch that because she's watched everything. These are very pigmented, but you can just, you can decide how much pigment you want on your lips by applying less or applying more. First, I will swatch these on my hands so that you can see the color and without the pigment on my lips, and then I will swatch them on my lips. I have worn these all day today, and I have to say the applicator is very nice. It's very big, and it's like a paw, like a cat paw. So it really hugs the lips and applies the product really well. The first shade, SORCERY, and here I'm more heavily swatched. I feel like the lights are making it much warmer than it is. It has a tinge of coldness, which is what I really enjoy about the shade, and which also is typical of the bullet. And then we have Decade. This is a very plummy brown with a lot of plum. There's a lot of plum in this shade, and I will also show you this applied on top of Decade because I also have the bullet. Let's first apply SORCERY. Excuse my very chapped lips. This is a very light first application of SORCERY. I almost didn't have any product on the wand. Let's apply some more, and this time you can see there's definitely more product here. And this is the second swatch. I tried adjusting the lip line as best as I could, but without a liner, that's what you get. This is the second swatch. It's definitely starting to be more and more pigmented and opaque. And now we're going to do a third and last swatch to see how much we can get this to show up. Sorcery. I love the shade. I think it's very wearable, and yeah, there's no occasion in which this wouldn't go greatly. I see this both in cool tones makeup looks as well as warm tone makeup looks because it applies to both situations very well. And yeah, let's get into Decade. One day I will learn how to take off lipsticks without taking out the foundation, because right now this is not it. Let's start with almost barely any pigment on this so that you can see how wearable this is, even if it's a very dark shade. As you can see, it is very wearable like this. It looks like a movie gloss, so this isn't frightening as it is, but I got the shade specifically because I wanted some you know, some edginess and darkness. So let's build it up with the second swatch. It is taking me a bit to not to make this look messy, or at least too messy. Of course, as you can see, I am doing a terrible job but I was just explaining this case. Since this is a very dark shade, at least on me, it is more pigmented in certain areas and lighter in others, because I need to be extra careful when applying this. So yeah, it is not patchy because the product is patchy, but because this is such a deep shade that where you apply it, if you don't blend it in very well, you will see the difference in color. This is Decade second swatch, and as you can see, this is a very bitten lips effect, which I like a lot. And yeah, let's proceed with the third one. I'm not sure if I will be able to make this look not messy with a third swatch, but I'm doing my best. Let's see. See how pigmented that is? This is the best I can apply a third swatch of Decade. I like this shade very much. It's very deep, and this will look great on darker skin tones. It also looks very vampy since I'm so pale and ghostly. Now I want to show you Decade on the lipstick. I have applied Decade. This is just the lipstick. Let's see how this is on top. Yeah, I'd say this complements it very well. The color match, of course, is a complete success, of course. That's the least you can do. The shade name is the same. I will also be swatching these together on my hand. Sorry about the scratch again. Every time I have to say this. But my cat still thinks I'm a chew toy. So this is Decade, the lipstick. And let's see if it's any different from the gloss. Here they are swatched together. The only thing I would say is that the gloss looks a bit more purple and plummy than Decade. but I think these are as close as they can get. It looks a bit more winey. As far as how these behave, I have used these all day today, even for my doctor's appointment, which was a bit extreme, especially with this shade. But of course these are glosses, so you can't expect them to stay too much. Mine lasted for about 2 hours, and after that I did still have some gloss. My lips were kind of juicy, but the colors were getting a bit lost. Simply by talking, I haven't eaten in these 2 hours, so after 2 hours I'd say you have to reapply if you want to keep the pigment, and you will definitely need to reapply if you're eating something. But after all, these are glosses, so you can't expect much from them. Still, while, as I said, Lisa Eldridge can do no wrong, according to me, I still think there seems something I'm not sitting comfortably with about their website, and I wanted to share that, and maybe you think it the same way, and maybe, who knows, maybe the brand will ever listen to this type of feedback. I'm sure everybody is saying this, but I'm not sure if it's because of a stock problem, of a lab problem, or anything. She releases things, and the other items that are out of stock take very, very long to be restocked, which is uncomfortable, a bit annoying, because, for example, I wanted to purchase SORCERY gloss with SORCERY the lipstick, but the lipstick was out of stock. I would have also made a bigger order, order the liquid Lurex eyeshadow, which is not in stock currently, the shade I want. I would have ordered the SORCERY palette, but these items have been out of stock for quite a while now. She's releasing new products, and this could be a marketing technique, because I purchased these thinking if I don't purchase them now, they'll probably go out of stock, and I'll probably have to wait months to see these products. So it works. It works in our minds, in the minds of, Lisa's target audience. But it is annoying as a consumer to have to witness this if this is a marketing tactic. So if it is, I hope that they will make the customer experience a bit better, and they will think about restocking more. I don't want Lisa Eldridge to end up like ColourPop, where they focus a lot on new launches, and the other older products are just left in a to-do list, forgotten somewhere. So here's to a better Lisa Eldridge shopping experience, and let me know in the comments what you think about these glosses, and if you purchased a few, if you're thinking about purchasing a few, and also let me know what you think about what I just said about their website. Thank you for watching and for the nice chat. I will see you in the next video. Bye!